Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add shipping methods in Woocommerce. So let's start. The first thing you want to do, you just click here on Woocommerce, and when you're gonna be here, you're gonna see settings, and then you're gonna see shipping. Now you have options to add simply like shipping zone, and now you got like a zone name that you can like call whatever, right? It's up to you. Zone regions, you can limit to specific or like United States or like everything, it's up to you. And add a shipping method. Flat rate, free shipping, local pickup. Nice. Now we can see it here. Flat rate. You can edit it. Taxable or none. And let's go like 5. Save changes. And you can also like add a new shipping method if you want to. But this is pretty much it how you do it. And yeah. Edit the flat rate. 5. Save changes. Save changes. And this is how you can add shipping in Woocommerce. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.